Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SelfKey. On the weekly time frame chart, SelfKey is still moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern, and you can see it has again reached very close to this resistance of the wedge and this key resistance of $0.0055. And in today's video, we will analyze is there any possibility that during this move the price line may break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of SelfKey that I shared with my members almost 3 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup. And by the way, this was the chart that I shared with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And before this move, SelfKey also had formed a very big a Gartley move on the monthly time frame chart as well. And if I play this chart, then you can see this move is still in play. And in some other video, I will discuss this move in detail with you as well. And before this Gartley, the price line also formed another very big harmonic Gartley move on the weekly time frame chart that I shared with my members on September 19, 2021. And you can see we had a very strong support here. Therefore, I told my members that we can consider our buying zone from 0.00875 up till this support of $0.0065. And because previously this level has been working at a strong support here, and support here as well, and the resistance as well. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well from $0.0065 to 2.64 cents. That was more than 300% rally. And again, the price line moved down and broke down the support of $0.0065. And you can see since then, this level is flipped into a resistance, and the price line is getting rejected again and again by this resistance of $0.0065. And now let's move to the recent idea that I shared a few days back, almost 3 days ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And you can see this was our buying zone that was starting from $0.004511 to $0.004274. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved up. We also had, by the way, a hidden bullish divergence here as well. And the price line had a spike very close to this sell target zone, but still it is moving inside this buying zone, and this move to hit this sell target zone is still due, and I'm expecting that soon SelfKey can start a proper rally to hit this sell target zone. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that SelfKey has found this support, a very long-term support. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce, another bounce, another bounce here, and then we have a big gap, and then we had two more bounces here. But basically we formed a double bottom, like we formed a triple bottom here, we formed a double bottom here, and then we had a nice rally but rejected by this resistance here, again moved down, and again we are rejected by this resistance. But you can see that this time the price line is not touching this support of falling wedge pattern, and also not testing this key support of $0.0028. And by the way, this is the resistance that the price line is not able to break out for the long time. And this is the resistance that we were watching here on this chart, that is at $0.0065. And even after breaking out this resistance of the wedge, SelfKey needs to break out this key resistance as well in order to start a big rally from here. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this is the uptrend line support that is not letting the price line to touch or move more down to hit this support of this falling wedge pattern or this key support. But you can see here we have a formation of a symmetrical triangle. We have a touch point here, and a touch point here as well, and several touch points at the support. And obviously we're testing the support more than the resistance. Therefore, there are chances that SelfKey can break down the support of this triangle. Now, for example, if we break out this resistance of the support of the triangle, then conservative target to the downside can be here. That is already, you can see it is showing us the projection in the negative zone. That is not possible. However, after breaking down this support, there will be a probability that the price line may again has this support of $0.0028. That will be a really very big drop. However, on the bigger picture, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern that is already considered as a bullish bias pattern among the traders community. Therefore, there are chances that finally we can break out this resistance of the wedge. And by the way, the target for this bigger wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 2.4 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.